Okay guys, today we're gonna make couscous. We're gonna make it very quick and easy. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get our couscous in a pan. Then we're gonna get our boiling broth and we're gonna pour that broth into the pan with the couscous. I'm gonna combine that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our plastic wrap. We're gonna try to move really quickly because we don't want the couscous to cool down. So we're gonna get the plastic wrap. We're gonna wrap that. We're gonna wrap the couscous and we're gonna just let it sit for about 10 minutes before we go back and use our fork or spatula or what have you and fluff it up. Okay guys, so now after 10 minutes we're gonna remove the plastic wrap from the couscous. We're gonna give her a little fluff. You can use a fork. I use a spatula because I find a spatula works for me very easy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our fork or spatula and fluff the couscous so we can add our vegetables. Okay, so while the couscous was sitting, we're gonna make our vegetables. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our onions and then we're gonna get our garlic in the pan. We're gonna get that all going. And then we're gonna get the rest of the vegetables in the pan, and we're gonna cook that off for just a few minutes, just to get it a little tender. I would say 3 to 5 minutes would be good enough. Then we're gonna get that back into the couscous, and we're gonna get that combined. Okay, so once we get that vegetable combined, we're all done. Quick and easy, and it's a great side dish, or it's a great alternative. You don't want to be eating rice or pasta. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more recipes.